Hey everyone! Buckle up because we're about to talk about something super cool. AI preventing car crashes. Imagine a world where car accidents are a thing of the past. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's becoming a reality. Remember when your phone used to be just a phone? It could only make calls and send texts. Now it's like having a personal assistant, a GPS, and a DJ all in one. It's hard to imagine life without it, right? Cars are going through the same kind of makeover, all thanks to AI. They're becoming smarter, more intuitive, and a lot safer. For ages, we've relied on things like seatbelts and airbags to keep us safe in accidents. These features have saved countless lives. Don't get me wrong, those are still important, but they only help after something has already gone wrong. But AI is taking things a step further. It's not just about reacting to accidents, it's about preventing them. Instead of just protecting us during a crash, AI is working hard to prevent them from happening in the first place. It's like having a guardian angel watching over you. Think of it like this. Imagine having a co-pilot who's always watching the road, never gets tired, and has like superhuman reflexes. This co-pilot can predict and react to dangers faster than any human could. That's basically what AI is doing for our cars. It's like having an extra set of eyes and ears always on alert. It's using all sorts of fancy technology to detect potential dangers on the road, sometimes even before we do. Pretty amazing, right? The future of driving is here, and it's powered by AI.
Okay, so you're probably wondering how this whole AI thing actually works, right? It's a fascinating topic that combines technology and innovation in ways that seem almost magical. Well, let me break it down for you. First off, we've got these things called sensors. They're like the eyes and ears of the car, constantly on the lookout. You know how our eyes see things and our ears hear things? Sensors do the same thing for cars, but in a more high-tech way. They capture a wide range of data from the environment. There are cameras that can see in all directions, even at night. These cameras provide a 360-degree view, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. Then there's radar and LiDAR, which use invisible beams to measure distances and detect objects. Radar uses radio waves, while LiDAR uses laser light. It's kind of like how bats see in the dark. They use echolocation to navigate and find food, and our sensors do something similar to keep the car safe. All these sensors are constantly gathering information about what's happening around the car. They work together to create a comprehensive picture of the surroundings. They send this information to the car's brain, which is basically a super powerful computer. This computer processes all the data in real time. And that's where the AI magic really starts to happen. The AI makes decisions based on the data, ensuring the car navigates safely and efficiently.